River's trying to learn Jen's phone number. First thing she woke up, you gonna show me how to work on the number? I love you, River.
No, I pointed right. I didn't go over here. I did to here.
That's 7.
Doing beds? Doing beds! Doing geese!
I feel like I can go ask the birds what they're doing, sure.
Oh, they're quiet now.
They're outside your window?
Yeah.
Okay. Doing birds outside Jenna's window? They're not even here. Ooh. There's not even any birds. There's no birds. Doing. Okay, work's just about over. I have to head straight from here, drop off my mom, then head out to the therapist. And after that, I don't know. I'm really not sure what's going on the rest of the evening. Presumably I'll end up at Jeremy's. Meme of 5. Okay, just made it here to the therapist at Heartland Recovery Center. I'm gonna go in and talk for an hour and then go home. Okay, second therapy session done. I'm making my next appointment and then going home. This is where I'm at in my life. I feel like I'm staring out into an empty cornfield. Not an acceptable way to eat peas. 1 pea at a time? Ugh.
Why are you angry, Mom?
What are you not carrying by protest?
It is impossible to remove.
She's angry because they put all of his energy drinks in one massive box and it's super heavy. Oh, so that was at the office today.
Oh. I had to order it to the office, babe.
So she had to load that into her car already, so she's pissed about that.
That's about it to begin with. And pissed at me.
Oh yeah, you did it. Way to go.
Not the UPS guy, not Sam's Club. She's mad at me.
Oh yeah, you
Said I was mad at you.
It's just sincere face.
I can't believe that you would order something that all in one box.
Yeah, right. Why did they
Why
do
would
that?
they do that?
I mean,
It's
like
just
the heaviest,
What a dumb thing.
and they ruined all my cheeses.
What do you mean? That's
Yeah.
that's an actual box
Wait
of
a
cheeses?
minute. I thought that was just like a box. Oh, they totally smashed all the Cheez-Its to dust. Get a new one.
Torture.
Why was it torture?
Yeah, what's torture?
The splits is possible.
But
Roundoff impossible.
not impossible. You
Impossible.
work up to it.
You
You'll
have
get
to
there.
practice.
I'm trying.
You're not gonna get it the first day. It won't. You'll get it in a month.
She might not ever.
She'll get it.
Let's be realistic here.
I know I'm like giving Wes too much credit here, but he totally posted this thing that is exactly how it said Midwesterners, and it was like, no, yeah equals yeah, yes. Yeah, no equals no. And yeah, no, for sure means definitely. I mean, as I was reading that, I've never seen a meme more accurate. One that made me question everything about anything I've ever said, because I had no idea that yeah, no, for sure means definitely, but when I think about it, it means definitely. Yeah, no, for sure. I mean, every one of them. Where did that pop into us? When do we start doing that, Jeremy? Do you remember?
No, yeah, I don't know. I can't tell you when it slipped in, but it did. And it's a Midwestern thing. I don't know what to tell you.
Yeah, no.
You know.
You in the bathroom, Lina? Are you in there? Are you going somewhere with your photo?
No, let's put my hoodie back on. So my hood's up and that. No.
Sky's pretty this evening. Subtle. Just a few dabs of paintbrush. Just a few. What are you doing, Lina?
Are you wrestling?
What?
Going to wrestling.
It looks like you've been wrestling with your face. Why have you been picking at your face?
Because.
Stop doing that. Why are you picking at your arms? Don't pick your arms, Lina. So, have we learned anything from the softball incident in terms of how to participate in sports?
Yeah, if the coaches aren't jerks.
No, none of it's about the coaches there. They can do whatever they want. They are the coaches.
Yeah, I'm fine with wrestling coaches. That's it. Coach
My
shaking
point is, it doesn't matter if you're fine with their decision or not. You still respect the authority of somebody in that position. And you don't say anything. Doesn't matter if you're right in your head or not, or if it's actually right or not. It's a respect thing, and if I catch you doing that, you won't be playing any sports, including wrestling. Bye, Lina. Go kick somebody's ass with all that anger you have for me lecturing you. Like, go whoop somebody in wrestling. Said 30 on that van, the white van, the suspicious looking vehicle. What? This thing is moving so slowly. What's the problem?
Bye.
That was the slowest door close ever.
Ow! You're changing clothes.
Okay. Hi, Ivy. Facebook. Nice fart, Sawyer.
What up? Johnny.
What's up, Sam? I come bearing gifts of beer.
Oh, nice. We have wine. Look, you got me a whole bottle of that. Have a...
Oh, shit.
Yeah.
So I can have both these beers for myself, is what you're saying?
If you want to.
Okay.
You can have these?
Aren't you two so neglected, having to sit on your beds back here? I notice when I start talking to you, Max, you start licking your lips. Max, what are you doing? What are you doing, Max? Still laughing about the yeah, no, for sure thing. It's great. I love it so much. Beer's also good. That's 2. Ooh, there's a 3rd one in your fridge. Woohoo!
Go for it.
There was no more at the house, so that's good. Were you doing some kind of vape surgery over there? So, are you going on live stream tonight?
I think so.
Yeah?
Yeah.
What game?
Don't know yet. Maybe some Division 2, maybe some Devil May Cry.
Maybe Anthem?
Probably not Anthem.
Why not Anthem? You like Anthem better than Division 2.
I do.
So why won't you play it? It's your
I
system.
didn't say I wouldn't play it.
Well-
I played it the other night when we were talking about this. I
Oh,
played
did
it
you?
with Pete Dells the other night.
Okay.
I was streaming, I think.
Okay.
Was I streaming?
Just checking.
Maybe not.
Don't be fucking doing just what's popular.
No, honestly though, the last time I did play Anthem, when I was playing it, there was bad shit happening. Like
Like you weren't enjoying it?
there was like no enemies. Like I was playing like a Grandmaster run, which is supposed to be like really hard. I was fucking geared up. I was ready to go, dude. They were killing the enemies basically before they were spawning. Like there was basically nothing appearing on screen. So like, yeah, something was wrong. Like it wasn't wrong. Like it wasn't right.
Are you only one call away?
No.
You were totally singing, weren't you?
What?
You were totally singing, weren't you?
No.
Yeah. Yeah, I heard you.
No.
Been hanging out at Jeremy's and we end up watching this guy that reacts to like music videos and things. Not music videos, but songs. No Life Shack on YouTube. It's really entertaining. This is not a paid promotion. It's literally just what we've been sitting here doing for a bit. So check it out if you want.
What? Kaiden?
Is it how you supposed
Pull up. No, it's not. Hold up on it.
Okay, John. I want to wrestle. What? I want to wrestle. Ow.
I volunteered appearing in an issue of Playboy. To which he replied he would be disappointed. Great!
Hey Sawyer,
Great!
doing?
Stop there. It's perfect. He suddenly went off
What are you playing?
complimenting his
I
daughter's
Fortnite.
As soon as we can get you to be streaming, you'll be streaming. What's it going to be at? Sawyer Joel Henderson on YouTube?
Yes.
Yep. You want more?
I want more.
Cheez-Its Snapped. They're delicious. Don't ever make these because I can't stop eating them. I know that's another brand of things.
I'm trying of how a neighbor taking us and turning us into neighbors. When he sees you, you have to freeze.
Donald, unfortunately, ended up winning the bet, and he and his chosen wrestler
Freeze!
shaved McMahon's head completely bald in front of a crowd at WrestleMania 23. Which, to me, I think Donald was the actual loser there.
Unfreeze! Freeze!
Not only that, but the Donald actually showed up with
Freeze! Unfreeze! Freeze!
delivering a few blows of his own. I call this move
Unfreeze!
it's my finishing move.
You need to get out the door with all of these items. I'm the neighbor. No, you have to go outside. That's outside. You need to go outside.
For the 2000 presidential elections under the
I'm the neighbor, babe.
meaning that he's tried to be president before. He was actually given the idea by Minnesota Governor Jesse Ventura at a wrestling match when Ventura...
And you got the next. Not ready yet!
I don't suppose you have any interest in skipping school on Friday and going to Comic-Con.
Yes! I would definitely mind that. I would love to go to Comic-Con.
Why is there a G in there?
I'm really excited to go to Comic-Con because I see a lot of people go there, and it's.
Are you gonna dress up as something? Do you want to do that on Friday? You can't tell the school. You can't tell anybody at school.
Why?
Not until after you go.
How long is it? How long is the trip?
It's just Chicago.
Oh, it's in Chicago?
Look at Tony. Actually, Sawyer and Look at Tony were fighting, and Sawyer had a new sword, and then Tony ripped the sword and broke it.
No wrestling. You doing, Sam?
I'm working, but I just want to make sure.
Go now?
No!
We are almost done with all obstacles.
They're making an obstacle
Look,
course.
I made it good so far. Look.
It kind of made it good so
I made it
far.
good.
Yeah, I can go in there. Then when the thing.
River, get off the counter.
I got here from.
Yeah, I know how you got up there. Get off. Get off of the counter, monkey.
Hey, Dad, not a monkey.
I think this is the colors of Comic-Con.
Did you look up C2E2?
Oh, I didn't.
Well, then type that into Google, Sawyer.
So you can see the colors.
Type that into your address bar. C2E2.
Yo ho, my
Turn it off, please.
Let's rock and roll.
Mabel, you have the two controllers.
Mabel, why do you think the two controllers control the same thing?
I feel like they're like connected to the same internet.
Okay, good call.
Mabel, come on, let's go. I want to show you a trick. I feel like they're
Couldn't have waited for that.
I'll show
Oh,
you
you're
this.
in it now?
Yeah, look.
What are you doing on Friday?
She wants to stay here. Can she stay? Yeah. Mom said he wants to stay.
Do you want to do
for 10
something?
minutes.
Do you want to go to Comic-Con
She said
Chicago?
she's going to be here. Tenny said, hi, Mom.
instead of school?
I'm here to pick you up.
Fits moment, Lina.
What the hell is happening right now? What kind of noise is even? Mabel, get off of her.
That was just fun.
Nice.
Me.
I was going to suggest octaves.
I was good wood.
I didn't want to interrupt, but I was going to say, put some octaves on that shit.
Oh, wait. I come bearing gifts.
Oh, sweet.
You got it.
Fist bump.
I like that. So we're gonna double it. So do it one more time. So you were all I had. Yeah, that was really good. The second part was really good. Do it again. And do it twice.
Double it up. Double it up. Double it up.
So check this here, right? Get all sexy on me, right? So drench on
him.
Get the lingerie out and
Ooh.
like, give me some sex.
With the socks.
Gotta think about honeys are gonna be listening to this.
Oh, snap.
Gotta get the honeys dripping.
Oh, Jesus.
I'm so glad I didn't stop recording.
You gotta get wet. You gotta get wet.
Jesus, Sam. Don't be disgusting, Sam.
Normal session, Joey.
Like, you gotta take it to another level. Just say the thing. Wet. Gross.
Ah, yeah. There you go for that one.
Sexy now. My ass just dripped.
Oh.
Okay, now I wish I had stopped.
Just pitch that. Just pitch that tent. Yeah.
I don't know what he's doing. He's doing some queen shit. The fuck we doing?
Of course. Just a harmony on that baby.
Just a harmony on that baby.
That bullshit.
That bullshit.
You know how we do when we in the stew.
Oh. You know how we do. Slick Rick.
Hey, can we do that again?
Okay, cool. Got
Two. One. Sweet, that's it. That was chunky.
Hey.
All these memories in my mind. I'm still a secret lemonade drinker.